Okay, here we are at a florist shop here in our local town, and here they have a lovely ceiling fan in here. And here, let me have this Levi and I'll show. Levi got himself a souvenir while we're here, a balloon, and we're gonna watch that spin down and then take our balloon home and probably talk a little bit more about what a florist does. So we have another souvenir, and it's this flower right here. Levi said that his favorite color was blue, and she was kind enough to get that out of the cooler for us. Sorry, I'm kind of wobbly today, doing more than one thing. I don't know if you can hear it, but the wind is really blowing out there today. Got some other great things in here. If you wanted a teddy bear or stuffed animals. Really lovely flower arrangements. Oh, but I don't want to miss the final spin down. And we have Scout here too. And there we go. Have a great day.